With all the media coverage of e-commerce potential, the question arises as to whether or not it's a good concept in the first place. Several arguments in support of e-commerce have been advanced that they're not based on any real facts and instead are based on speculation. Welcome to our channel eCommerce Know-How, and today we're going to look at the opportunities for e-commerce in 2022. Number 5. Tap a wider range of customers. The only point that might be made is that there are numerous disadvantages to doing business online, such as security risks, fraud, and so on. While these are legitimate concerns, they're not only the drawbacks associated with online shopping. There are numerous advantages to using the internet, including reduced prices and a greater choice of things available for purchase. Because of the opportunities it provides, e-commerce is becoming increasingly popular among businesses. Companies may advertise their products and services on the internet and reach millions of potential customers. In today's world, there's no reason why a company cannot expand and become successful on the internet. Many businesses have discovered that advertising on the internet may help them increase their revenues and profits. In addition, there are more product options available on the internet than ever before, which is a welcome development. Number 4. Get access to bigger marketplaces. Businesses now have the ability to compete with one another on a worldwide scale as a result of opportunities provided by e-commerce. While there's less regulation and more competition, the result is more economic activity and growth. Many businesses are turning to e-commerce to help them grow their operations. This can be a very real issue for firms who are looking to expand their reach. Consumers are also finding that e-commerce is becoming a more cheap option. Because the prices of computers and internet have come down, people may now find that items and services at cheaper prices than they could be previously. That means that customers will have to pay more money, but they'll have a greater selection of things to pick from. It's possible for users to save a significant amount of money, while also having access to a more extensive variety of products that they would not have been able to buy otherwise. Number 3. Expand to global sales. Consumers who do not want to acquire products or services in person will find e-commerce opportunities to be more convenient. Product purchases made online can be fulfilled by simply shipping the products to its customer's address. Both the retailer and customer benefit from this since it makes their lives easier. Many merchants will benefit from having more money in their pockets, which will allow them to expand and improve their operations. The opportunities for e-commerce are not insufficient in any way. There's no genuine evidence that can be used against them other than the fact that, if a company wants to expand, it must make a decision that it believes in, one that's founded on facts rather than on assumptions. Number 2. E-commerce opportunities. A strong business plan can assist firms in determining which form of business will be the most successful for them. This system should include a synopsis of the type of business they wish to start, as well as a description of the types of customers they intend to attract. This is the most secure method of being acquainted with the possibilities of e-commerce. Number 1. Advantages of e-commerce. Following the completion of a business plan, the company should investigate the costs associated with launching the firm. A wise business owner will thoroughly assess the prospects of this particular form of enterprise before embarking on it. When making a decision, it should take into account the potential revenue, the expenses of running the business, the cost of attracting new clients, and the cost of keeping present customers satisfied. The fact that firms may make more money on a smaller budget is one of the advantages of e-commerce, according to experts. With this form of business, every business owner may choose their own hours and work as little as they want in order to maximize their profits. Results will be spectacular for a business owner that believes in themselves, follows through with their plan, and works hard to deliver high-quality service to their customers. Any firm that's able to provide a superior product as well as superior customer service will be successful on the internet. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Are you planning to start an e-commerce business in 2022? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.